Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to the free card kit of the month video. In order for you to receive this free card kit and a small product gift sent directly to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is shop in my online store at a $50 minimum. No host code needed. But wait, there's more. Want to earn a free stamp set just for being a loyal customer? Check out the description box below. You'll find more information about this free card kit and my loyalty rewards program. And if you're watching this video to figure out how to put your kit together, I just want to say thank you for shopping with me, or thanks for being on my team. I appreciate you all so very much. Hello and welcome to the March card kit of the month. This is the card kit that you'll be sent if you shop with me. Here is a suggestion for this card kit. It is called Banner Sayings. It comes in a bundle. I'm going to use the happy birthday sentiment. However, you will get these banners. I've already punched them out for you. So it's called the 3 banner punch. I am showing here the wrong sequence that those banners are in. But anyway, regardless, even if you have a stamp that would work with these, you're going to get 3 little banners. And this is how you put this kit together. So the pattern paper goes in little strips on this piece of card. The pattern paper is called Garden Party, and I have mixed up the card base colors. So there's Flirty Flamingo, Berry Burst, Crushed Curry, and Blueberry Bushel. So all of these colors that are in the paper, you know, it like all sort of goes together anyway. Doesn't Stampin' Up! Do a great job of coordinating all their products? So not only that, but there is actually a like this really unique paper that comes along with the Garden Party. It's shiny. I didn't use it on this card, but anyway, check it out whilst you're shopping along in the online store. I think I'm going to figure out here eventually that I've gotten the wrong banner punches. But anyway, you can use, I've put all 3. So in your card kit, so you can figure it out. Use what you can or use a different strip. So with this design, I am flipping the floral designer series paper over. So you will get an opportunity to use whatever side you like. If you don't like side A, use side B. I'm not the stamp police, although I am a picky crafter, because I didn't like the way the colors were formulated here with the 2 sort of like the yellows and the pink. So I had to move things around, and my spacing was off too. So I think what I did with the first one is put the right and the left patterned paper on, and then I filled out the gaps with the other 2. So I will leave links in the description box below in case you want to check out any of the products for yourself. Of course, you guys know I'm a demonstrator, would love to have your business. However, I also want to grow my channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really does help my small channel grow, which is important for me to keep the lights on and for me to keep and doing all of this stuff. So I do appreciate every little bit that you can help me out. So anyway, here we are. We're folding, and we are putting these cards together. I actually really like, I like both of them, but I do like the this one that doesn't have all the florals on it. And of course, if you wanted to zhuzh this card up, you could use a stamp and stamp over the card stock first before you put this section down. You could do it vertical instead of horizontal like I've chosen. I am just giving you some stuff as a thank you for shopping with me in my store. And you do whatever you need to do with this card. So this is my cards for today. Please leave me a lovely comment below because I love hearing from you. And I will be back on Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.